Today's manufacturing processes require high quality at a lower cost, leaving little margin for rework or manufacturing inefficiency. Struggling to balance regulatory compliance and customer demands with downsized production? Frustrated with your employees' substandard knowledge and skill leading to poor production quality? If you need superior training and certification that fits your tight budget, turn to Blackfox Training Institute. Blackfox Training Institute's training facilities provide your workforce with in-depth knowledge of product quality acceptability criteria for all facets of the manufacturing process. And our skill-based courses, as well as on-the-job training systems, give your employees hands-on experience and knowledge in the correct methods and most efficient techniques of assembly. You'll see an immediate significant increase in quality and production proficiency, as well as gratified employees. Better yet, you'll consistently meet and exceed customer expectations. Blackfox can provide instructor and operator training and certification for all of our skill-based courses and IPC certification. Your in-house instructors will gain the knowledge necessary to ensure quality skill-based training as well as continuing education of your workforce. And Blackfox is the premier worldwide authorized IPC Training Center, providing all current IPC certifications. Do your manufacturing processes require specialized training? Blackfox will develop customized training courses specially for your employees. In business since 1996, Blackfox is known the world over for our knowledgeable and experienced instructors, our commitment to lifelong customer relationships, and our level of product and industry knowledge. Clients claim Blackfox's courses are taught in a relaxing atmosphere and put students at ease. After 16 years of training experiences throughout my career, Blackfox ranks as one of the best. And Blackfox proudly supports transitioning veterans with our skills, training, and certification program. Ready to boost employee skills and knowledge while exceeding product quality standards? Contact us today to put Blackfox Training Institute to work for you.